Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are going to begin our integers foldable. Start with a legal-sized sheet of paper. We're going to fold it in half, hot dog. Open it back up, fold it in half, hamburger. Crease it, open it back up. Then we're going to fold our ends to the middle to where this crease is that we just made. Then we're going to take a pair of scissors and we're going to cut to the first crease right there. And you can cut along this crease to there. That makes us 4 doors. On the top left, we're going to start with compare and order integers. So you read a greater than, zoom in here, you read a greater than or less than symbol the same direction that you read a word. You start at the left and you go to the right. So same idea, we start at the left and we go to the right. So what you see on the left here is the little point. This is less than. With this one, we start at the left here and we move to the right. We read it to the right, from left to right. We see that we've got the big mouth on the left side. This is the greater than symbol. Then on the inside, the best that you can, I should make a straight line. With this middle crease right here is going to be 0. We're making a number line. And at even spaces to the right, do those numbers that you know so well. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So integers are all the whole numbers, which would be 0 through 9, and their opposites. So the opposite of 1 is -1. Opposite of 2 is -2. Opposite of 3 is -3. And so on down your number line as far as you have space for. So you've got your own little personal number line there. Something that the number line is useful for is that the larger numbers are to the right on the number line. So if I gave you a group of numbers and I said, which of them has the most value, which one is the largest number, you would be able to look at your number line and say, this number is on the farthest right, so that one has the most value. It's the largest number. And if you look there, you can see that that looks like the greater than symbol. And I'll put an arrow right here in case you don't know. The right is that way. Smaller numbers are to the, if we're talking about the opposite of larger numbers, so then we'd also be talking about the opposite direction. They're on the left side. Left is that way. L, left, this way. On the number line. And something that's kind of a common sense sort of thing, but some people don't put it together, so we'll just spell it out. Any positive number will always be bigger than any negative number. Okay, any positive number will always be bigger than any negative. So if I were comparing 0 and -2, 0 is going to be greater than -2. And something that previous students have always thought has been helpful is to think about money, think in terms of money. If you ever have a question, think in terms of money. Would it be better to have nothing? Or would it be better to owe $2? Obviously, it'd be better to have nothing than to owe someone $2. Okay? So what if we had What if we had 4? What if we had -8? That again, if you think in terms of money, have $4, is that better? Or is it better to owe $8? I think we can all agree it would be better to have $4. Now we've got one special little number. And that special little number is right in the middle of our number line. It's the center of our number line, and it's 0. 0 is neither positive or negative. Okay? It's not positive, but neither is it negative. Some names for it: zip, 0, zilch, nada, nothing. If it's not positive, it's not negative, it is neutral, and it is in the middle. If you keep these concepts in mind as you are putting your integers in order from least to greatest, then that should help you. One little thing I'm going to add right here. I forgot. My bad. So right here, if you look at this, I'm color coding this. That symbol right there looks like the less than. So the smaller numbers are on the left side of the number line. That's all we have for today. Thanks for listening.